Hi, my name is Dana Juliet Castellano Lopez. Today I go to make a video presentation about my family. This is my family. This person up here is me. She is my grandmother, Mariana. She has two men and a woman. He is my father, William. She is my mother, Solandi. She is my sister, Alejandra. He is my cousin, Gauri, and her girlfriend, Lorena. She is my cousin Marcela and her husband Aldo. She is my cousin Angeline. He is my cousin Lenin. He is my cousin Santiago. She is my aunt Nidia. He is my uncle Wilson and his wife Marcela. He is my cousin Matthias and she is my cousin Sofia. Matthias and Santiago are the babies in this family. Everyone is taking a photo. In this photo, Matthias is looking at the other side. My grandmother and my father are drinking a beer. Everyone enjoys playing and watching the soccer games. This day, the family is sharing time in the mountain. Okay, a family is a gift that lasts forever. Thank you.